The very first thing you have to do is to head on to your Chrome browser or any other browser you are using, and then you come and impute Bing, B-I-N-G, B-I-N-G image creator. So you can see it displaying here already, and then you just search for it. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you just come and click on this very first one here. Then you click on join and create. It's going to bring out this section where it will request you to sign in with a personal account or sign in with a work or school account. So use this very first method of using a personal account. Click on it. When it loads up, we don't have an account here, so we have to come down and click on create one. When you click on create one, it's going to bring us to this section where you have to come and input your email address. That is the email address you want to use for registering this account. Please make sure it's a functional email. So I will put it. And after that, I'll come and click on next. So here you have to come and put your first name here and your last name. I'm just going to do that right away. After this, you come down and click on next. So it's going to bring us here. You can see if you're in Nigeria, which is your country, you leave it in Nigeria. But if you're outside Nigeria, you come and click on this drop down arrow, and it's supposed to show your country automatically here. Okay, so but if your country is not showing here, you click on this drop down arrow, and then you come here to select your country. So you can see there are different countries here. So I'll just go back since it's in Nigeria already, and then your date of birth. You have to come and input your date of birth right here. So use this. Use a random date of just going to use any date of birth right here. Okay. After that, you come down and click on next. So a code is going to be sent to the email you use for creating this account. So I will just have to go straight to my email right now to get the code. Email, and I click on it. You can see I've gotten an email from them. So this is the email. I'll click on it. And then this is the number, the verification number. I'll just have to copy it, go back to paste it. So I'll paste it here and see it. This is it. I'll paste it. After that, come down here and click on next. Then it's going to bring me to this option where I will have to complete this puzzle. So then I'll just have to come and click on next first. For this verification, you just have to read this instruction right here to follow what is here. You see, it's saying use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So the direction of the hand, I'll just have to rotate this other. Okay, I have to rotate. I can see it's facing the direction of the hand now. I can see it's facing this way. So you also have to click on this. I don't think it's correct. Let me try here. And I'll submit. So you can see the verification process has been completed. It's then going to bring us to this session where you have to come and write what you want your picture to look like. So it's just like you describing a picture you want to an artist to help you paint it. You understand? So you have to make sure you describe this picture in detail the way you want it to look like. Let me just give an instance here. Let me give an instance of using my brown, for example. I want to create an image of a handsome boy sitting in an office pressing laptop with the company's name. Like the company's name should be written in somewhere in the office. That's the brand name, right? So let me just describe that. So I will just have to write handsome boy pressing laptop in an office with a brand name. So you can always include the name of your brand here. The brand name Real Logistics. Then you come here and click on create for it to generate this image for you. Then we'll wait for it to load. Just give it some time to load. You can see it's loading now. You can see when it close up, it brought out these images. You can see now there are some that it brought out. So if I click here, click on this image, you can see that this is a handsome guy pressing laptop. You understand? And you can see on the wall real logistics, although it's the spelling is not correct. Let me go back and see if I will see anyone that has the correct spelling. So you can see here this one now. You can see this one. Real logistics. You see it here, real logistics written here. This is an handsome guy. You understand? So this is how you can just go about creating your own for your brand. So after you've created it like this, the next thing you just have to do is to come and click on this icon here, this three icon, and then click on download. So you can see it's downloading already. And if I click on open, it has been saved to my gallery automatically. So you see it's very easy to create an AI image like this using just your smartphone. You can just change the brand name like any picture you want to generate. Just make sure you description of the picture you want the AI to generate for you. You understand? So you can do this with any picture. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful content like this. And also don't forget to like this video to enable it get to more people who are also in need of generating AI for promoting their business. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace out.